Hello everyone, today we're talking about outdoor faucets, also called spigots, and specifically on how to protect them against freeze. So if you are in the middle of winter or if you have a cold front coming in, it's time to get outside and take a look at your spigots. I'm gonna show you 3 methods to protect your spigot, and one of them is just using regular household items. And then a nice little product that you can tack on the end of your spigot and just forget about it. And the reason you want to prevent these from freezing is because the water that sits inside the pipe is also sitting inside the spigot. And this spigot being exposed to freezing temperature will cause the water to freeze going inside the house, eventually bursting the pipe, and which can cause a lot of damage to your home. And the easiest way to protect your spigot is to go to a hardware store or even online and pick up one of these covers. They're pretty much the same thing. One has a harder shell which will prevent from cracking and more sturdy. And you install them the same way. Inside there's a loop that you loop around the spigot, and then you pull the string and you tighten it down. Now the second method is basically insulating your spigot with socks. If you have an insulated sock like this one, just insert that over the spigot, and now the spigot is insulated. The problem is if it rains, this is gonna get wet and freeze. So what you do is additionally you cover it up with some bags, or in this case is Ziploc, and so it doesn't blow away, you tape it in place. And this is just a temporary solution that if you're going away for a few days and you don't have time to go to the store, you can get your spigots protected this way. As a matter of fact, they do make a product that does exactly the same thing. It's a pouch that goes over the spigot and it does the same job. After you insert the pouch over the spigot, you just loop the strap over it and you tighten it down. And the third method, it's a pretty neat one. It's this product called Freeze Miser. Install this right on the end of the spigot, tighten it all the way down, and then you open up the spigot all the way. And what happens here is that whenever the outside temperature drops below 37 degrees, this is gonna let the water drip out. And a constant drip will prevent the water from standing still and freezing. As a matter of fact, when it gets even colder, the drip will increase, allowing that water to be a constant flow. And if you need help getting any of these parts, check the description below. If you're watching this on your TV, check the QR code right here. Now, if you want to do away with all this work, just replace your spigot with a frost-proof one. And you can find that video right here. I hope you learned something in this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.